Hello everyone, welcome to my channel No UPSC. This is our day 11 of 60 days NCRT challenge. Today we are going to have a revision of all days, whatever we have learned and have done in our all days. So, purpose of day 11 is to revise, recall and retain the complete learning of day 0 to day 10. Strengthen your understanding and prepare for long term retention. Revision strategy for day 11 is quick revision of all 10 days notes, recall key concept without looking. Use mind maps, one page notes, and flashcards. Self test to write, speak, or teach the topic to someone. Identify weak areas and revise again. So in day 0, we have done our YUPSC, importance and role, rewards and challenges, mindset of an aspirant, and commitment and consistency. You need to find your why for UPSC to be more consistent even if you don't feel like studying. On day 1, we have done our exam pattern of prelims, mains, marking schemes, interview and selection process and exam overview. In day 2, we have done our GS paper 1 or Prelium syllabus, which covers Indian heritage and culture, history and geography, Indian polity, economy, environment, and current events. In day 3, we have done our GS paper 1 syllabus of mains, which covers Indian heritage and culture, history, geography, society, and current affairs. For day 4, we have done our GS paper 2 main syllabus, which is Indian polity governance, IR, and social justice. In day 5, we have done our GS paper 3 mains syllabus, economy, agriculture, science and tech, environment, internal security, and disaster management. Uh, Day 6, we have covered GS paper 4 main syllabus, which covers ethics, human interface, attitude, emotional intelligence, and case studies. Revision in day 4, we have revised all these days from 0 to day 6 and summarize key points, make one page notes and mind maps, recall and retain. On day 8, we have done our PYQs analysis of 10 years of pre and mains, both subject of polity and economics. So in day 9, we have done our PYQ analysis, only PYQ analysis. We do not had to solve it. No solving, only had to analyze of these subjects. In day 9, we have done our PYQs analysis of 10 years of GS paper 1, which covers history, geography, society, and art and culture. In day 10, we have done our PYQs analysis of other remaining subjects like GS paper 2, IR, governance, social justice, GS paper 3, science and tech, environment, security, and disaster management, GS paper 4, ethics. Also, we have done our syllabus part, which we need to had learn plus had a crisp notes of it. Also of Uma Harti ma'am, she followed intro and conclusion notes already written plus case studies and examples notebooks. These are the things which you can do for syllabus. Also for PYQs analysis, you don't need to solve them. You had to just analyze it of past 10 years papers of all the subjects wise of pre and mains both. That's it for today. What to revise on day 11 is to concepts of 0 to 6 days, syllabus points, important facts, examples, and insights from. Also, active recall, Feynman, Feynman technique you can use or spaced repetitions. These are the revision methods, tools. You don't need to use this one. Self checklist, you need to revise not in one day, you need to recall every day. Just before studying a new thing, you need to recall that all whatever you have learned be- uh, just before one day. So, golden rules: revise regularly, practice consistently, analyze deeply, improve continuously, and believe in yourself. That's it for today. We'll meet in our day 12 of 60 days NCRT challenge. We'll start our from class 6 polity in day 12. All the best.